योग साइंस practice and tips, question and answer. र उहाँले आफ्ना केही कुराहरू राखिसकेपछि आफ्ना कुराहरू सेयर गरिसकेपछि तपाईहरुले केही जिज्ञासाहरू छ भने त्यो पनि उहाँले सम्बोधन गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यसैले आफ्ना जिज्ञासाहरू पनि राख्दिनु होला है। र अब म धेरै लामो समय लिन्न, उहाँलाई पनि यो मञ्च छोड्छु है। र हाम्रो गोविन्द सर प्लिज ल उहाँलाई स्वागत पनि गरौँ। उहाँले केही कुरा राख्नुहुन्छ। थ्याङ्क यू।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Govinda Luitel, and I'm a student of PhD. And today, I'm very much lucky I'm in front of you talking about yogic science and primitive system. And as I wrote in the lesson, 100% online yoga degree book. It is published when I was in Luitel University in America. It is published, and I did research about many research, and we are planning to have degrees from high school to the PhD. But today, our focus is towards the preventive system, and also I'm going to explain a little bit about yogic science, and we'll do a few of you are going to print it out and we're going to practice here. Yogic science, you will practice here, and I promise you'll be able to answer the questions. So you will have lots of time to answer the questions. So I expect you to make the silent, and if there's no silent, maybe some talking or noise, and then that person I will have Sirsasana. Sirsasana here's now. Big strong. So literally strong class it is. So what we do is let's make the piece and let's start. So first of all, I start explaining here. Right now, if you want to Google, you can see this red book. 100% online yoga degree book. Let's go to a preventive system. What is the preventive system? Preventive system is to stop disease before happening. Like promote wellness and fitness is the preventive system. रोग लाग्ने नदिने विषयलाई preventive system हो. And how to do that, how to create our wellness is very much different than today's system we have. Today we have curative system. In curative system, what we do? We have a disease, so much disease, for example, like obesity, gastritis, cancer, so many things, and then we go to hospital. That is not wise, not intelligent, like a system. And today, in this world, we're planning to promote preventive system. In preventive system, we create wellness, we create fitness ourselves. For example, how to regenerate fit and fine cells, for example. Or suppose in the brain also how to regenerate the neurons. And those types of things comes under the preventive system, and we want to increase our fitness and wellness by the nature. For example, increasing volume of oxygen. We inhale more, and that system was always here in our system. There was yogic science from 1,000 years ago. Our Rishi Munis started to practice, but we ignore and went to the curative system, and today we totally got a problem. But when I'm a student, also I try to research about where is the system, what are some activities we do and promote our health. Then I found yogic science, and few of the practice also we're gonna do. The practices, I'm gonna ask the questions and filter out, and lucky enough, few students will come here, gonna practice. Let's start filtering out, some of you. Suppose anyone, suppose when you study, today you study, tomorrow you forget. Or within a week, Or let's say within 5 days, forgot. Like 50% forgot, or like 100% forgot. When you study the book, already forgetting. That means sometimes you forget 50%, sometimes 100%, sometimes 25%. Like let's say within a week. Who has this problem? Can I raise your hand? Can raise your hand if you forget when you study? Oh, a lot. Okay, forgetting. Now, let's say when you study, who has a head pain? Like head pain or like eyes paining or muscles paining, like different muscles we have. And there's 1,000 millions of little muscles we have, but those muscles paining. Like back pain, so many things happening. You know, who has this? Can you raise your hand? Yes. Among the raise your hand, from this row, I give 3 people to come here to practice yoga. 3 people, only interested one. Who raise their hand? Those 3. Let's come here. 3. And that row, I give 2 people chance to come here to practice yoga. Let's come here. Yeah. Yeah, 2 people. Fantastic, you're lucky. And from that row, also 2 people. Let's come 2 people from there. You get a chance to practice today. So, yes, okay. Yeah. Now, this will like that Now we'll practice yogic science very much. We are going to practice, okay? And no one can be lazy, okay? No lazy. Laziness practice working hard. And at last, I'll give you a chance to practice also. I'll get practice. I'll watch it. Okay? And one round. Yeah, this is start. Okay, this. Speed. Lazy. Everyone, let's do Bhashira. Breathe. Everyone, let's make straight back. Straight back. Everyone, let's make straight back. Straight back. Okay. Everyone, straight back. Okay. And then inhale and exhale. Deeper, longer. Inhale and exhale. Exhale is long, sustained. Inhale is long. Not usual, but extraordinary long. Let's go. Longer. Let's put the max, no problem. Longer. Inhale, exhale. Back straight, okay? Darshida. Straight, back straight. Darshida. Yes, that's there. Only accelerate by note. Let's stop. That means we were inhaling, like fueling the oxygen, more oxygen we wanted to see, and fuel and displace the carbon dioxide and glucose we have. We want to do that one because we want to make our brain fresh and faster and fresher. Okay? Then it takes time to fueling oxygen, you know. It's fantastic, right? Now, also, one idea they have, and they said that some of the problem they have, some of the problems we're going to see. Quickly, we're going to diagnose in naturally, not in other science, but in naturally, we're going to see what's happening there. They allow me to see their hand, okay? First of all, let me ask them, and then I'm gonna check that. Oh yes, they got a yes. So quickly we're gonna check, and then if something is there, I'm gonna tell. Okay, guys, let's go. What's happening? Then you see, and if there's like a needle, if it's like a needle, just go. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. Yes. You're your partner. Yes. Okay. Eyes weaker, ear weaker, and it's digestive problem. Three problems. Yes, that's it. Yes, guys, he said yes, digestive liver problem. Yes, we take it. Okay, let's go then. And then you feel that you know like that. Yes. Yes. Digestive system problem, a little bit weaker. And eyes and ear both are weaker. Eyes, digestive system.
Digestion the very bad was.
Oh, yes, guys, he has the digestion also. Let's go then. I tell you. Scaling, like a needle, press it again. Yes? After this. Digestive system has problem. Digestive system has problem. Yes? Digestive system? Oh, okay. She has also digestive system problem. Guys, let's go! Guys, here's fitted fine, everything fine. Thank you. Okay, here's fitted fine, guys. Thank you. Now guys, this is time to ask the questions. If you have any questions, I'm going to answer. Other questions answer this. So what to do, like how to improve our memory, how to study well, how to improve our educational system, and how to improve our preventive system. You know, and before disease happens, what to be done naturally. Those natural part only. We're going to answer and discuss today natural part. So if you have any questions about natural part, naturally what to do and what are the things we want to improve our and promote our natural health. If you have any questions, I'm going to answer the questions. And also I'll tell you what are some naturally, what are the things we're going to do, okay? So if you want to ask any questions, raise your hand first and ask the questions, okay? You're welcome to ask the questions. Okay, let's start. Aplikamos, proszę. Proszę. Okay. What's the question?
तर त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ इम्प्रुभमेन्ट र कसरी त्यसलाई चाहिँ हाम्रो एउटा नर्मल्ली एउटा सिम्पल रूपमा होइन कि एउटा टोटल्ली एउटा
Okay, guys, his question is naturally how to make better our digestive system, our eyes problem or ear problem. How to improve this, how to make better, and how to remove those unwanted things from our life. That's the question. Let me explain. For the digestive system, there are so many causes, not only one cause. There are so many causes. Among the so many causes, one cause is what improve the exercise. What exercise you like? Probably you like yoga or other types of exercise you like. You have to improve a little bit. And also, in natural food, you have to improve the natural food. Like you have to improve the volume of fruits and vegetable. And also you have to decrease a little bit fat, lipid part, little bit fat, you know. And then you can balance a little bit. And also for the eyes, you have to improve the vitamin A, also very important, from the green vegetables. Green vegetables are very, very important to sharp our memory, to make our eyes better, green vegetables. And for the ear, we have to a little bit clean naturally by the earborne. And otherwise, we have to go to the doctor at last. That's the natural system. Naturally, we can do that. But in yogic science, there are some other postures, some exercises we can practice to create our fitness and wellness overall. Now, next question. Do you have any next question? You raise your hand and ask the person. Okay, let's start now. Yes, okay, very good. Okay, guys, this question is very nice, like how to improve our memory system. Okay, how to improve? Yeah, it is sometimes it looks like very simple to improve our memory, but it is very much complex. And naturally also, we can improve our memory. To improve our memory, we need to make our food system better. For example, because brain requires lots of chemicals like fresh foods from fresh fruits and vegetables that are improved, and also like brain and memory. There are different things. Brain is physical part like cells, like neurons are brains, and memory is information like signals, light like signals. So when you study, what happens? It's a signal. Those study information travels there. And how to manage that is really complex. But generally in yogic science, we practice so many asanas and pranayama. And some of the exercises we can practice. For example,
Sirsasana. Sir means head, asana means posture. Sirsasana can improve our memory system. And also Hastapada Uttanasana, like head and hands are down, legs are up. Some of the exercises. And also some of the exercises like in pranayama, like Nari Shuddhi. Nari Shuddhi can improve our memory system in a better level because that can fuel the oxygen faster than ever, faster. That's why, to improve memory, it's very much different. In fact, so many things can involve. For example, to improve our memory, we need to repeat also the educational books and information that you are make fantastic. Then sometimes some topics are very difficult and what to repeat. Some topics are very easy. Just once you study and see, that's done because that information we can grab from our brain. But the question is whether that difficult title topic there is or easy topic, how to manage in our brain, how it is managing, because there's hundreds of thousands of neurons in brain cells there are, and also the informations are running like electric light running. How to make alive is very much complex and challenging thing. Even the scientists are still working on it. That's it. Our goal is to make and source those process ideas naturally how to improve memory by creating the right environment, like a bacterial virus-free environment, and also like like food, what improve like a quality of fruits and vegetables, and also practice some exercises what practice and make our memory better. But directly in one day, it's not possible to improve the memory. It takes like one by one, slowly what source naturally to improve our memory, and we can make fantastic and better memory, like a proper memory we can make. But it takes little time to work on and go ahead and make a fantastic memory. Now I give a chance to ask any next person. Okay, raise your hand and ask the person.
Yes, what's your question? Hearing problem? Reduce. Hearing problem? You want to reduce? Yeah, yoga problem. You don't want to increase the hearing? You want to decrease? Okay, that's it.
Okay, this question is how to decrease the hearing problem, and this question is a bit complex. Okay, and how to decrease? Probably it is. I cannot tell much about naturally what we do, but in yogic science, we have few of the exercises like Brahmari. There's a pranayama which can work on near the ears and the brain. Pranayam, and also some of the exercises in yoga postures there are to manage the hearing problem. If the decreasing problem there is, probably biological problem. So for the biological problem, we have to go to hospital. That's a bit different problem, but it's very complex, and then I cannot exactly specify what to do this matter naturally. Now next question. I get a chance to ask next question.
Okay, let's go. And okay, let's stand up and let's ask the question. Okay, thank you. Yes.
Okay, his question is how to improve our concentration power. That's a very important question. Improving our concentration is our province in yogic science. Naturally, also we can do. For example, to improve our concentration, first of all, we have to start practicing yogic posture. For example, like I taught, like Sirsasana, and also Hastapada Uttanasana, so many things. And also, very much important is pranayama, like a Vastrika and Anulom Vilom. Those pranayama can fuel much oxygen, and also when we do exercises, our blockage can open and we can create a natural natural practice much, and then go to the meditation, like a dhyana, dharana and dhyana. For example, when you go to practice concentration, and then go to meditation, and focus on, and repeat the title and topic or word, sentence you wanna input in a brain, repetition, you repeat and repeat and repeat, and then again recall, close your eyes and recall. Recall is very, very important. You can remember that, recall, and repeat. That closing eyes, you can, suppose you read, open eyes, and whether it is there inside, and repeat, recall. Very much important to improve our concentration, but first of all, it is very important to make a peace environment, peace, and go to the meditation, and then remember, like recall. If it is recall in our brain, that's very fantastic. We can improve our concentration power. It's very much. Next question.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys. See, that's a very good question. How to control our angeriness? How to control our anger? That's the question there is. Because especially when the young generation, they're quickly angry, and what's happening due to the chemicals producing in our body, in our brain, because those angry chemicals quickly degenerate and spread all around, and then brain directs toward the hostility, negativity, and bad point comes in brain, bad statement comes in brain, quickly, due to the fact that those chemicals go inside the brain, quickly they interact towards there. But what to do is yourself, first of all, think about it like, I don't want to be angry, whatever there is. First of all, decide, this is also very important, and then you start to be happy. Like, even if you are angry, let's go dance. Yes, or a little bit sing the song, a little bit, and then whatever you want to do, and then it starts producing happy chemicals in the body. When the biologically happy chemicals produce, and then automatically, and the happy chemicals can lead you to a positivity. The negative thought, negative bad point doesn't come, and then when you start thinking of positivity, due to that brain chemicals produce. Like so many chemicals there are. You can Google also. You can Google and see happy chemicals, type of happy chemicals, and you can see those can produce when you are happy. And then automatically we can reduce our negativity. We can reduce our side talk. Yeah, we can reduce our side talk. Yes, those things automatically goes off when you are happy. Be happy whatever there is. No problem. Whatever they say, be happy. That's it. That will improve our happiness and goes after anger. Next question. I take the next question. Let's answer and raise your hand.
अर्कै छ प्रश्न अरु छैन नि छवन हात उठाउनुस् छैन अब गुरुहरुको केही छ कि प्रश्न छैन
Guys, today we practice a little bit about yogic science. It's not this much, but a few of the sample we practice, few of the sample only. And then, we have so many things to practice like meditation and all in yogic science. We cannot finish in one, like a half hour or like 1 hour or 45 minutes, we cannot finish. But at least I try to show you some of the experiment, some of the topics and title, how to do those things. And if you have any questions, and also you can go to the Google and then you can source that, and also you can also ask me and see some of the posters and activities here is.
Govinda Luitel 3 TT TikTok, there is some of the posters I put already there, some of the YouTube like Sirsa Sound, Astapad Utan, Govinda Luitel 3. And also you can ask so many questions here. Govinda Luitel FB. Facebook, there is FB in Facebook. If you go there, you can ask so many questions right now, but we are going to plan so many things.
And if you don't have any questions, thank you so much, guys. And namaste, and goodbye.